Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, there's a big box in front of me with a scissor inside, inside of like here. And what is in the box? It's a BYJU'S kit. So let's open it. Yay! As I am opening it, I found this. What is this? Oh, now I got it. It's a BYJU'S bag. Very nice. Now I just take a look of it. Okay, so let's see what's inside. I think something is in this pocket first. No, wait, it's in the other pocket. Yes, it's in this big one. There's the zip. I'll open this bag. Wow! What is this? Wow! Look what I got. A book? Well, I don't know what is this. And a big box. So, and on this, it's written BYJU'S Learning Station. Look at that. It's written here. So, now let's open this big box. Oh, let's open it. Wow, this is a tablet. Wow, this is so nice. Well, let's get that out. Wow, look at this. Okay, so I'll put it aside. We have the instruction for getting started. And we have everything else box. Let's see what's inside everything else box. Okay, so we have some stickers. We have 2 sticker books, 1 Elsa character, and 1 Olaf. Okay, and we have a badge. Oh, we also have a whisper pen, I think. Yes, look at that. Wow, we have so many things. And we have this charger also for my pad, which I just got. So I'm very excited to switch it on and do everything on it. But for now, it's time to say bye.